Hey everybody, today on Henry's How-Tos, I'm going to show you how to make Greek chocolate ice cream. Let's get straight into it. Alright guys, so we're going to start by placing 2 cups of cream into a small saucepan. Now I'm using full fat, don't use low fat skim or anything like that. To this we'll add 1.5 cups of full cream milk. Once again full fat, don't go using skim. Next we'll add 1 cup of white sugar. About 2 tablespoons of golden syrup. And the most important ingredient, we're going to add 2 tablespoons of unsweetened cocoa powder. Now in my case I'm using Cadbury. Make sure you use a high quality one because it makes a big difference. Alright, so we'll turn the heat on, just on medium to high. And we'll just carefully stir that through. So guys, we just want to keep on stirring to dissolve that, and we just want to very slowly bring it up to the boil. Alright guys, so once it reaches the point where all our cocoa powder has dissolved and it starts to bubble up along the sides, we're going to turn the heat off because we don't want this to actually boil. So all we're going to do now is let this rest here until it cools down. Alright guys, so once your mixture has cooled down, we're going to turn our ice cream maker on, and we basically have to follow the instructions of our manufacturer. So we'll go ahead and carefully pour our mixture in while the machine is working. And I'm also going to add 1 cup of chopped chocolate chips. Beautiful. So guys, we'll just let the machine run. This should take around 20 to 25 minutes depending on your manufacturer. Alright guys, so that's looking pretty good now. So we'll go ahead and turn the machine off. And we're going to transfer this into separate containers. Alright, so that's looking pretty good. So we'll go ahead and put the lids on. And we're going to place this straight into the freezer. Preferably overnight. And then we can go ahead and serve. Alright guys, and just look at that. Just look at that beautiful creamy texture. That's exactly what we want. So guys, obviously you don't have to leave it there. You can add some chocolate on top, shaved chocolate, chocolate sauce, whatever you like. You can add some chopped nuts, whipped cream. You can take this to the next level. So storage wise, obviously keep it in the freezer. You should be able to get about up to 6 months. I hope you like that guys. Please like, share and subscribe. You can follow me on Facebook, Snapchat and Instagram. Got any comments or suggestions, just leave them at the bottom and I'll see you all next time.